Hey all, hope you all are good. Welcome to my channel Sri World of Coding. In today's video, I am gonna create an Ansible Vault that is used to store user password. So, Ansible Vault is one of the features of Ansible that allows you to store sensitive data such as password, keys in encrypted files rather than in form of plain text in playbooks or roles. So let's begin. So first check whether Ansible is been installed in our machine or not. So Ansible has been installed. Let me zoom a bit more. Okay. So we can create Ansible Vault using Ansible Vault command. So first let's create a file that will store a password of Ansible Vault. Let's give some random password. And save it. Now let's create an Ansible Vault. Create. We can also take some help. So these are the various commands that we can use. So what we'll do, we will create the vault and save and take its password from a file. So we will use a vault password file, and it will take password from password.txt file, and the name of our vault is vault .yml. So let's give date as today's date. We can store anything. 05/15, name as Riv, and let it be, and save it using this. So as we have saved our vault, our content inside a vault, now let's see whether we can view the content of a vault using the same password file that we have saved. So let's take help of the documentation. Okay, we can use view. Vault password file. Okay, equal to, and let's give the vault name. Okay, so you can see that are the contents of the vault. You can see here that inside the directory, first is the password.txt, which contains the password of the vault, and then the vault.ym. So hope you liked this video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.